name is Mark Sandhamel. I'm with GF Machining Solutions. GF Machining Solutions is located in Woodridge, Illinois. This is the North American wing for the sales and service part of GF Machining Solutions. What we have here is the North American Logistics Hub to support our prestigious clientele in North America by providing spare parts and consumables that are domestically available for overnight delivery anywhere inside North America. Therefore, we've taken the time to maintain this facility and improve its capabilities with an investment such as the Modula lifts.
My name is Polk. I'm the operations manager here at GF Machining Solutions. I've been in operations for about 15 years now here. We store in the modular units anywhere from nuts and bolts to circuit boards to small pumps, System 3R tooling, which is a big vendor for us, a lot of things like that. Very high value items, so security, the ease of access is all very important for us. In the VLMs, we have about 12,000 items in these units right now. Previously, for us to store those 12,000 units, we had to have probably another 50% more square footage just to have that product on our floor. So with these units that are much more vertical, they go all the way up to the ceiling here, we can store all that in a very small footprint, and we do have room for more inventory. Previous ways we handled our product, we put much smaller product into the horizontals and vertical carousels that we previously had. What we did was we actually picked and packed all together in the same area. With the modulas here, we actually reduced one of our zones so we could actually pick into one zone and actually pack and process in a completely different zone, which opened up a lot of floor space for us here, which was huge because we had so much more inbound and outbound product going out. We had a couple acquisitions, so we brought all their inventory in, and we really needed a space to put that product without impacting the other operations. So Modula afforded us to do that.
When we were looking at the modulas, we looked at the different options that were available, and some of the things that we liked a lot about the modulas was the dual tray presentation. That we thought was a differentiating factor or a unique selling point for Modula, because what that allowed us to do was not only while somebody was picking, the next tray they needed was already positioned for them. That really was a nice thing because that really could increase the amount of picking time or picks we could do per hour. And we have that really tight crunch time in our afternoons, so that really helped us out.
We optioned for the external dual tray delivery, the laser pointer, and the light bar. That gives us a very, very accurate pick method and a put away method for us. Previously in the older units that we had to present the item to the bin, and then we had to scan into those locations, which was a lot of time savings. With the Modula units, the WMS software that's with the modulas take care of all that for us.
Integrating the Modula into our WMS and our ERP systems was an easy transition for us. Not only did we find it easy to move these and integrate these particular systems together, but we were very impressed with what the outcome was. We found new efficiencies that came from this integration that we now have incorporated into our operations, and now has improved several of our different processes in the warehouse.
The learning curve of these machines are within about 5 minutes. I can bring somebody new on the floor. I can have them picking parts in less than 5 minutes.
I would absolutely recommend the Modula unit to other people that have similar needs for meeting tight demands for customers, for picking accuracy, that can't afford to have misshipped parts, have inaccuracies, or don't have the luxury of waiting for parts to be presented to them. The Modula units now have made the human being the slowest part of our process, and we've been very happy with the reliability, the ability for uptime of the products, and the support that we have seen during the installation and the post-installation process.